Hello friends, welcome to my channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on Dlib library used for face recognition, very popular library in Python, developed in C++. We see videos such as multiple face recognition using Dlib library. Then we have seen live face recognition using Dlib library, our recent video. Today's video is really creative and interesting. It is about face recognition using Dlib using Flask. So let us go through the program first. This is all about the program. Train and test are used for accuracy. Now I will execute the program. Yes. Face recognition demo of images. First of all, train model is used for single image of person you want to recognize, and test model is a new image of the person. Now we will perform face recognition of image. First of all, I will take the image of mine, Sanjay.jpg. Okay, fine. Yes, Sanjay has been added. We can see here. Now test. Download Sanjay. Yes, Sanjay has been found. Sanjay has been recognized. Image has been recognized. It is there. Now I will take the image of Shah Rukh Khan. SRK. SRK11. Submit. Yes, it is trained. Now we can check. Yes, found. So I successfully done with face recognition from an image using Dlib with Dlib library using Flask. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Dlib library with landmark of image and many more videos on Flask, attendance system, Streamlit, machine learning, Keras, TensorFlow, CNN model. Thanks for watching.